Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-PM270 Bluetooth stereo and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this stereo, not connecting to or not pairing with something, or if it won't play CDs, it's not responding to the buttons, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The second reason is if for whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start with the stereo, like it's just coming out of the box with everything wiped off of it, we can do this really easily. We're just going to start by unplugging the device. And once we unplug the device, we're going to just let it sit unplugged for at least 3 minutes. After those 3 minutes are up, we're just going to come over here and find the power button over here and press and hold it. And while pressing and holding it, we're going to go and plug the device back in, all the while holding the power button, holding the power button, holding the power button, and keep an eye on this display here. And once this display shows up with a bunch of dashes all across the display, that basically means the reset is complete. You can release the power button and go ahead and set this stereo up as a brand new unit.